Hey, it's Pro here, and welcome back to another design video. This time I would like to go for a slightly different approach for what I'm designing. I will be designing these Lego trophy microfigs. The thing about designing these characters is that it's going to be really small, and when I'm designing it, I'm going to have to measure the parts to make sure they're accurate to what you see here. With that, there are some disadvantages. There's going to be slightly less of what I'm going to be able to do with the model, and sometimes it's going to be harder to create a specific shape. But it's really just a Lego figure, so it's not going to be that hard. Let's get right into the video. So here's how the model came out. For as tiny as the model is, it only took 6 minutes to print. Here's a closer look of the model. Here's a comparison to the one I designed and printed and the actual Lego Microfig. You can see that the one that I designed is a little bit smaller, but that's alright. But I'm really proud of the model and I'm happy the way it came out. And that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed and see you later.